Hello, today I will explain about Jira. We will start to learn Jira first of all. What is Jira? Jira is a project management and issue tracking tool. In this course, we will talk about Jira Service Management, which allow you to track the customers or even your colleagues' requests. For example, you have a colleague and want to make a change in his laptop or have a bug in his laptop. He could raise a request. This request is called issue in Jira. Jira is the first software development tool used by agile teams. Jira Service Management is an open collaborative platform that allows you to track work across the enterprise. What Jira Service Management gives you? It gives you a mail channel to use, easy to use customer portal, integrated knowledge for self-services, streamlined request management, powerful SLAs and reporting, automations, real-time collaboration. There are three main roles in Jira. Customers, the people who raise requests, agents, the people who work on these requests, administrators, the people who configure the projects. There are some keywords and concepts you need to know before starting. Projects. Projects are the main container which contains the issues or the requests. Issues, as I told you before, these are the requests. Custom fields. These are the fields that contain the data of this issue or this request. Workflows, automations, SLAs. We will talk about each keyword in the upcoming videos. First of all, issues. What are issues? Issues are the requests that comes from your customer or your colleagues. They are located in each project. Issues contain fields, so issues are the container for fields and fields hold the data. For example, this data could be description, summary, reporter, due date, and attachments. The types of issues could differ from a project to another or from a company to another. For example, the issue types could be bugs, change issue types, or renewal. You can customize the issue types according to your departments or your company business requirements. Each issue type should be linked to a workflow, which will be working on it. What is the workflow? The sequence of processes through which a piece of work passes from initiation to completion. For example, the customer raised the request. To solve it, we have to pass through this workflow: to do, in progress, and then done. The workflow could be customized according to the business requirements. Another important thing you need to know is the request type. What are the request types? Each issue type from the above could contain many request types inside it. For example, the bug issue type could contain laptop bug, software bug, or website bug. So, request types are located inside the issue types. To sum up, each issue type could be linked to only one workflow. This is the logo of the issue type. Should be linked to the workflow, and inside the issue type, there are many request types. In the next video, we will be creating our first project in Jira. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.